Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening settings while Talkback is active, so use one-finger single taps to focus and double tap to open items. Two-finger scroll moves pages. Make sure your phone is unlocked and has at least 15% battery because you'll confirm changes. Once you focus the settings icon, double tap to enter. If settings isn't visible, swipe to the app drawer and use the search field. Double tap the result to open. This gets you directly into the configuration area, where accessibility controls live. Once inside settings, either use the search box and type accessibility or navigate. Settings System Accessibility. Focus the accessibility entry, then double tap to open the menu. Scroll with two fingers until you find Talkback or Accessibility menu. Focus the Talkback toggle and double tap to request a change. The system will prompt a confirmation. Listen to the prompt and double tap Confirm to disable. Doing this removes gesture overrides and restores normal tap behavior, so you'll notice immediate change after confirming the dialog. Once you confirm turning Talkback off, test by single tapping an icon then tapping Open. The device should respond without double taps. If the toggle won't respond, try the accessibility shortcut. Press both volume keys for about 3 seconds if that shortcut was enabled. If the phone remains in Talkback or gestures fail, restart the device. If that doesn't help, boot into safe mode to temporarily disable third-party interference or connect to MIUI recovery to backup data before a factory reset. This troubleshooting keeps your data safe while restoring normal input.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.